Hi everyone, today we're going to be resetting the service light on this 2014 Audi A1. We've got the Audi multimedia system in this one with the screen on the dash. So what you need to do is, using this dial, turn until you get to car, press the dial in, then we're going down to systems, see down there in the bottom left hand corner. So you need to press this button and we come to this screen. Scroll down to servicing and checks, select that, scroll down to service intervals, select that, and you see all change due 200 miles 50 days ago. Scroll right down to the bottom, reset all change interval. Do you really want to reset interval? Yes. All change interval has been reset. There you go guys, thank you for watching, see you in the next video. If you need to reset the inspection due reminder, I believe that can only be carried out with diagnostic equipment rather than doing it through the dashboard. If anyone knows how to do that differently, please put it down in the comments. Thank you for watching.